Welcome to the Oklahoma Department of Human Services. We are here to help you. This presentation is to tell you about your rights and responsibilities when working with DHS. You'll receive a more detailed copy of these rights and responsibilities, so please read them carefully. Ask a worker about anything you do not understand. You have the right to receive equal treatment regardless of your race, color, age, sex, disability, religious creed, political belief, or national origin. Apply for benefits at any time and receive information about DHS programs. Receive help from DHS in completing the application. Have your application processed timely or receive a notice explaining the reason for delay. Have information you give to DHS kept confidential and request a fair hearing if you disagree with any action taken on your case. Any person you choose may represent you at the hearing. If you believe you have been discriminated against, you have the right to file a civil rights complaint with DHS and/or the federal government. If you want to file a complaint, DHS staff will explain the complaint process to you and provide you with complaint forms to complete, or you may write your own statement. If you ask, staff will help you fill out the complaint form and send it to the correct address for you. If you are a victim of domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking and participate in the Attorney General's Address Confidentiality Program, or ACP, you are not required to give DHS the address where you are staying. Show us your ACP identification card and we will use the substitute address on the card. If you do not have a card yet but plan to apply, let your worker know. For more information about the ACP and how to apply for a substitute address, call 1-866-227-7784. That's toll-free. Getting benefits from DHS means you have responsibilities too. You must provide proof to confirm the answers you give us on your application if you are asked to do so. Examples may include pay stubs, an employer statement, bank account statements, and proof of your identity. Let your worker know if you need help getting the required proof. You must be truthful. DHS staff checks the accuracy of the information you give us and uses your Social Security number to match income and benefits with other government agencies such as the Social Security Administration, Internal Revenue Service, Oklahoma Tax Commission, and Oklahoma Employment Security Commission. If we find that you knowingly lied, your benefits may be denied or closed. You may be fined, face punishment in the courts, and can even go to jail. You must cooperate with the DHS Quality Control or Office of Inspector General staff, or other state or federal auditors or investigators if asked to do so. We will provide your information to law enforcement if necessary to apprehend someone fleeing the law. Once you are approved for benefits, you must report all changes in your household circumstances to DHS within 10 calendar days of the change occurring. This may include a change in income or resources, your address, your shelter costs, the child care provider you use, or when someone moves into or out of your home. If you receive benefits you are not eligible to receive, you will have to pay DHS back. To collect an overpayment, DHS can reduce your benefits, intercept your tax refunds or Social Security checks, or use any other avenues available. To avoid all of this, you must be truthful to the best of your knowledge and tell us about changes right away. When you sign the application or renewal, you certify under penalty of perjury that your answers are true, correct, and complete to the best of your knowledge, and that every person in your household applying for benefits is a United States citizen or an alien in legal immigration status. You also give DHS permission to get information from other sources, such as individuals, businesses, schools, banks, medical providers, and employers when needed to determine your eligibility for benefits. Use your Social Security number to match income data with other government agencies. and share information with other agencies or private organizations to get other services for you. These requirements are important to make sure benefits go only to eligible households. We appreciate your patience and cooperation. If you choose not to provide information or sign the application, benefits may be denied or closed.